Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can fix Facebook Add Friends button not showing in your Facebook application. So this is very troublesome thing. So if someone send you a friend request and they unable to send a request, and this is very troublesome. So how can you fix this problem? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the video starts, please you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem regarding Android and social media, please let me know. I'll show you the solution in the next video. So let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go firstly Play Store, or you can uh, do it in App Store as a iPhone user. So go to Play Store, then Facebook, okay, search here Facebook, and make sure that your Facebook application already up to date. So after updating your Facebook application, open, and I have already login my account, so I don't need to log in again. And here you can see the profile option, so click three dot line. Here you can see three dot line, click on it, and here you can see the profile option below menu. Okay, click on it, and this is my profile homepage. So if we see as a view, so someone check my account or check your account, then if they get your account as a follow option, just not showing at friends, then this is very problematic. Okay, so just click three dot and view as. So people, those who send you friend request, and if they get this type of interface, and obviously they are unable to send you a friend request. Okay, so this is just follow, and here you can see the two option, follow and message option. So here is no add friends button available in this section. So if someone wants to send a friend request and they are totally unable to do this. Okay, so how can you fix this? Just follow this step. So firstly, I have already mentioned you that you have to update your Facebook application. Then after updating this, we have to go the settings option. Okay, so how can we go there? And just follow this step, scroll down, and here you can see settings and privacy option. Okay, I'll show you settings and privacy. Click on it, and here you can see the option settings. Okay, click on it and scroll down, then you can see the option here, privacy settings. This option, privacy settings, click on it and scroll down something. Okay, so we got the final option where we want to change the option. Who can send you friend request, friends or friends? There is two option available. Okay, everyone and friends of friends. If you select or if you mark the first one, everyone, so everyone can send you a friend request, either they are your mutual friend or not. Okay, so this is one. So after marking this option, we go back from this section and check our profile. Okay, again go to our profile, then here we can see, if we click the three dot line and if we check the view as, then here you can see the add friend option is available. Okay, so add friends now is available, so everybody and now can send you a friend request. Okay friend, I think this video was helpful for you. So if you think that this video was a good, and then please give the like, and of course subscribe this channel, because I will provide you best Android tips and tricks related tutorial and upcoming days. And stay tuned, and thank you for watching this tutorial.